Okay, my old soldering iron finally bit the dust, so I went ahead and I picked up a Hakko FX-888 Delta. So let's take a look inside and see what we got in here. Okay, here's a look at the Hakko FX-888 Delta. Right out of the box, it's got a small chisel tip, which actually should be pretty good for most projects. Real easy to replace if you don't like the tip, though. You pull it off here. There are about 25 different varieties of this tip. It's called a T18. So just look up T18 and you can go ahead and replace this with whatever one you're most comfortable with. Real quick, to come up to temperature, you got a digital display here. You can set it for whatever you want. You can see as we just turned it on, rising pretty fast here. So far, I love this iron. I'm going to recommend it to anyone. You know, if you're looking for a new iron, I'd have no problem buying another Hakko. So we'll see how long this lasts. But a couple of quick things here. Just like any good product, you got a lot of counterfeits out there, it's strange to think of a counterfeit soldering iron. But just looking at some other videos, you can they'll tell you exactly what to look for. I'll cover a few of them real quick. So you have this little strain relief here, and on the real one, it's made out of silicone, so it's not a rubber. It's actually just a silicone, so it's very soft. Some of the counterfeit ones, they're saying that they're very hard to move, very rigid. Let's see. So in the little iron holder, the bottom piece here on the counterfeit ones don't contain this steel plate, so it'll just come with this plastic piece here. So, and then the box that it comes in is actually going to be a recycled post-consumer box, which is going to have little flecks of with other materials in it. So it's not going to pick up real well in the camera here, but there's little flecks of recycled material in here. The counterfeit one will actually look completely clear, but I guess they've done a pretty good job counterfeiting the boxes. So just keep an eye out. Buy from a reputable source. But if you're looking for a new soldering station, the Hakko is definitely the way to go. I love it so far, and we'll see how it holds up. Thanks for watching.